All right, Brian, what are we doing today?
We're gonna touch the sky.
Why are you doing that?
Because it's there.
All right, man. Anything you want to say to friends or family?
I'll miss you.
All right, we'll see you up there. All right, you ready to do it?
Let's do that.
Brian, how was that?
That was absolutely amazing. Beautiful jump.
What was your favorite part?
There is unbelievable.
What was your favorite part?
Just the rush.
Right when you get out?
First rush. Yeah, It's a feeling unlike anything that you're ever gonna feel. You got to do it.
Awesome. Thanks for coming to Sun City Skydive. We'll see you next time.